Okay, folks, welcome to episode 8 of part 3 of 3, the final assembly of the gear set, all constructed. Now we're getting ready to test it for the first time, and you guys get to see it firsthand. So let me show you so far what I was able to accomplish. Here's the gear set, a close-up of the gear set. Got the proper height, everything is assembled properly. And I also had to do a modification in this gear, drill a hole through this shaft here so that when this cog spins, this shaft is going to spin. There's going to be another gear here that's also going to spin to move the track assembly. So now we're getting ready to test the motor with the 3 cogs in place for the first time. So here goes. As you can see, this thing is pretty strong and it wants to go already. I guess we'll be moving to the next stage of building the next piece of the robot. So subscribe to our channel to find out which part of the robot is going to be coming up next. Later, guys.